So 7 out of 10 homemakers will tell you that they feel like they sacrificed their lives, their dreams, their ambitions, staying home with the kids. As much as these feelings are very validated or very valid, I want to say that we can walk through those feelings by actually growing, right? One of the mistakes that homemakers actually make is that, we stop growing. We let ourselves, be defined by the chores that we do every day. The fact that our lives have taken some type of routine, and we basically lose touch with everything else, right? And then once in a while, we're reminded that we, quote unquote, chose the unfulfilling life. Anytime we come on social media and we see people that we know seemingly looking like as if they're crushing their goals, they're doing well in their fields, maybe banking a lot of money as well. But this is my one advice to us homemakers. Please, let's not stop growing. And that's why I always teach with emptiness season in view. When you keep thinking about the fact that the kids are going to leave home, right, one day, and it will be left with just you, I believe that it will push you to sit down and keep growing towards your goals, towards your ambitions, towards the things that you had to do or the dreams you had as a younger girl, right? So my word to you homemakers today is do not stop growing. Read a book a day, or read some pages of a book a day. Take courses online, develop yourself, get in tune with where the world is going, where business is going, what AI is doing, and keep equipping yourself so that in the long run, you're not feeling lost, you're not feeling left out, and you're not actually feeling as though you sacrificed yourself on the platter of homemaking. All right.